In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect iPad to Google TV. So let's get started. Now we have three options when we're attempting this. The first option is using AirPlay like casting. Now how this works is that first of all, you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi you're connected to on your iPad and the Wi-Fi you're connected to on your TV are the same. So both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Then you're gonna open a supported app that supports casting. For example, we have YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, and many other apps. So let's say I open YouTube for this example. Now here, what I can do is when the video is playing, I can just go ahead and click on this casting thingy. And here your Google TV should pop up if it's obviously online at the moment it's connected to the power, then you should be seeing it here, and then you can just connect it and your iPad screen and the video should be playing on your Google TV. Now this is the first option. The second way is to mirror the entire iPad screen. And to do this, what you have to do is you first have to install this app on your Google TV. The app's name is AirScreen, and this is the logo as you guys can see here. So just go ahead and install this app from the Google Play Store on your Google TV. Then open this app up and select iOS, then AirPlay. Now, once you've done that, then on your iPad on the right top, you're just gonna bring down this menu. From here, you're gonna see this option of screen mirroring. Just go ahead and click on that. And from here, you should select your Google TV and your iPad screen will now exactly mirror to the TV. So whatever you're seeing on your iPad will also be displayed on your TV. This was the second way. And lastly, the third way is using an HDMI cable. And this is quite simple, but the main challenge here is that you need a device. And this is what the device looks like. So you basically need a port that connects your one end connects to your laptop, which is your iPad's charging, and the other one is basically an HDMI port where you can just plug in the HDMI cable, one side inside here and the other one on the TV, and then it's basically like connecting a laptop to a monitor. So it's the same process, but it's just between iPad and TV. But this is the connector that you need to purchase for that to happen. So those were the three ways of connecting your iPad to Google TV, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.